rock solid gang, hey. We the ones get it rockin'. You know she do anything for the fam, ain't no options. She one of a kind, so really it ain't no copies. You know how we rockin', once we start we never stoppin'. How we rockin', you know we rock solid. Yeah, know we rock solid.
Hey Rock Solid gang. Hey y'all. This is the start of a new vlog, y'all. It is Friday evening, 6:46 p.m. I'm in Chick-fil-A's curbside parking space waiting for my dinner. I was gonna go out and have dinner by myself, y'all, but I decided to I actually ended up going to the nail shop. I had my mani-pedi and just didn't feel like going out to eat, so I'm at Chick-fil-A. I'm grabbing me a cup of chicken tortilla soup and a Greek yogurt for my dessert. So that's what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight, y'all. Keeping it light. And yep, that's it. So like I said, y'all, I'm in curbside. I'm waiting for my food. And I'll call y'all when I get back to the house, y'all. Welcome to a new vlog. Okay, y'all, they brought me my food, right? They bring your food and then they walk away before you check your bag, right? Cool. I wrote in the comments 2 of these tortilla chips. I said 2 packs of these, please. It's not a space to put 2. If they charge extra, it's not a way to do it. And then they gave me my Greek yogurt. They come with granola. There's no granola in the bag. So now I have to do what I didn't want to do. That's why I chose curbside. Get out the car. And let me check my order, my receipt, to see if it registered, because I like to be right. Y'all, what that say? Let me see if y'all can read it. Look under 1 tortilla soup cup, 2 packs of tortillas. Please. I even put please. Y'all see that? That's what I wrote. I'm going in. All right, y'all. So the little attendant, he apologized, y'all. He said sorry. So I got my granolas for my yogurt, and I got my additional pack of tortilla chips, y'all. Because I have to have 2. I pour them in the soup and it's so good. I can't even eat the soup without them. So, anywho, we got it straight, y'all. No issues. We got it together. All right. So, for real, I'm going to call y'all when I get to the house. Here I tell again. I made it home, y'all. So, I'm just going to show y'all my food. And then I'm going to go and eat my food. So, I got the chicken tortilla soup. See if y'all can see how that looks. It's pretty thick to say it's soup, y'all. Thick consistency. And of course, I told y'all I put the little tortilla chips in there. And they're seasoned. They have like a little lime taste to them. They're really good. I love them. And then I got the yogurt and the oats to put on it. Oh, the granola. Put on it. They have strawberries and blueberries in there. So I was going to get a side salad, but I decided to just get the soup and then get the yogurt and call it a night. So I'm about to eat my food, y'all. Yeah, I am by myself. And it feels good. Dump that in there. I washed my hands, y'all, as soon as I got back. It's a nice thick consistency. This is just a cup. There's a bowl that's a bigger size. The chips are a little stale, y'all, but look, I have my own. I have my own. I like theirs because theirs have that lime taste to them. You really need to change them out because they're stale. But anyway, y'all, I got me a little sweet tea. And I'm going to go ahead on and enjoy my little meal in my me time, y'all. And I'm going to catch up on some of y'all videos. So that's what I'm going to do while I eat my soup. So I need my phone. So I'll call y'all back. Happy Saturday, Rock Solid Gang. Get out that light. Happy Saturday, y'all. Me and Corey up early. We're going to walk. And I'm just waiting on him, y'all. I think it's about 7:05 a.m. And we decided to get up and go walk. We didn't walk last weekend, so we're picking it back up. Doing 30 minutes. I think Corey go by miles. He walk a certain amount of miles. I always finish before him because I just do 30 minutes. So I see y'all at the walking trail. So y'all, Corey test driving a truck. he's interested in buying. I like the truck. I told him I like it. He's a Chevy guy. He's always stuck with Chevys, but this time he's looking at GMC. So we just test drove it, and he's looking at all the features and stuff. And I guess he gonna make up his mind what he wanna do. He gonna get it. I like it. And he deserve a new truck. It's time. So, anywho, that's what we doing right now, y'all. On this beautiful Saturday, the weather is so nice. It's a beautiful day to be outside, y'all. So, but I'll check back in with y'all. Let me go finish looking at this truck with him. Rockefeller gang. So y'all, we made it home just in enough time for Corey to get ready for work. So he gone. I'm by myself again, y'all. I'm starting to get used to this. I'm thirsty. I was sitting down watching this movie. It's an old movie with Halle Berry in it. I forgot the name of it, but I gotta get my phone holder. But I need to get comfortable and fix me something to drink. I'm thirsty, y'all. Give me some pineapple. We have some pineapple cranberry juice. I'm gonna drink. I feel like I'm about to take me a nice little nap, y'all, because I may have the grandkids later. I called my daughter and told her if she wanted to get out today, she can bring the kids. I'll hold them down for her so she can have a little Saturday evening to herself. This lighting is bad in here, y'all. And I'm about to take this doggone bun out my head because it's pulling too much. Let me get comfortable, y'all. I'll be back. Y'all, I got my big, thick, heavy throw out my bedroom. Because I'm going to be on the couch for a little while. Let me get my drink. I'll be back, y'all. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Drink. Y'all, tomorrow is Riley's birthday. I'm gonna show y'all what we got her from Walmart. Riley is my baby granddaughter. She's making 3 tomorrow, y'all. She loves cars. Like you would think she was a boy. She loved cars. So we found this little Barbie car. Ain't that cute, y'all? And when you sit the thing in the driver's seat, it makes different noises, sounds. I thought that was cute. And we bought her this little Mickey car. This one is a remote control car. It's for 3 and up. She's making 3, so we got her that. I thought that was too cute. This girl goes in the store, y'all, and she get Hot Wheels. Like the other kids will get dolls, and she always get Hot Wheels. So I said, let me find her a cute car. Where Corey found this one. And I found this one. I think she's going to love this, y'all. But yeah, my little Slickums making 3 tomorrow. So we're going to celebrate her little birthday, y'all. But, what is that? What else did I get from Walmart? Oh, that's just tape. But yeah, y'all, I am about to lay down, catch a movie, and probably get me a little nap. And just in case they come today, I don't know if they're coming. Like I said, I extended that courtesy to my daughter and told her if she wanted to get out with her friends or go and do something, you know, let me know. I'll keep them. I try to do that for her every night, so she can have some time for herself. Everybody need a little break sometime, you know. So, but that's it, y'all. I'm getting a little nasally. My sinuses are acting up. Then this weather is here, y'all. Where I'm at is cold in the mornings, and then it's blazing hot in the afternoons, and then it's cold again at night. So we're constantly changing the thermostat back and forth. I even had the fan on last night, y'all, because whenever I get out the tub or the shower, immediately after I'm burning up. So I need the ceiling fan so I could cool off. So I think I'm getting like a little, I don't know, maybe a little head cold or something. But I am about to lay down and finish watching this movie. And I'll call y'all back later, y'all, as soon as I get up. I just want to relax for a while, just in case the kids come in. I really want to carve pumpkins with them. So I'm thinking about doing that with them. If not today, one day this week. Not tomorrow, because I have a lot to do tomorrow. So I have to get some orders out. And if they don't come today, I'm going to sew tonight. If they come today, I'm going to sew and get some orders out to be mailed on Monday. So, yeah, y'all, I'm just rambling. Let me go take me a little rest, y'all. A little 1-2. I'll call y'all back. Happy Sunday, Roxella gang. Happy Sunday, y'all. Happy Sunday. Hey, y'all. So, y'all, I am up early this Sunday morning. I have to take a little short road trip. It's about an hour, but I take my time. It's about an hour and 20 minutes to pick up Kendall. She went to stay with her friend for the weekend, so I'm picking her up. I left early. It is, well, 7:41. The plane was to leave at like 7:20. We can't go to McDonald's. They closed. McDonald's closed. That's why I was gone. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Alright, excuse me, y'all. Am I doing something wrong? Cars, bikes. Y'all, there's some kind of biking event going on. And there's like roadblocks and cones and stuff in the street. And the first McDonald's by the house that I normally go to, it was blocked off. I guess they don't want cars crossing into the bike lane to get to McDonald's. Anyway, I'm not gonna stay long. I was just coming to say good morning, happy Sunday. I hope everybody wakes up to a beautiful, blessed day. I'm gonna stop and get me some coffee and get on the road, and I'll call y'all back. So y'all, I went and filled up my gas tank. I did that at Walmart, and I'm grabbing me some. I decided to just get me some a cold brew from Starbucks and a butter croissant. So I just got me a croissant and a coffee from Starbucks because the line was really short. McDonald's line at the other McDonald's was really, really long. So I'm gonna grab this stuff so I could get on the road. It's 8:01. I said I hope I'll be on the road by 8. So when I finish this, I'll be good to go. But I was just checking back in with y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna record while I'm driving or if I'm going to call y'all back when I get to my baby. But I'll see y'all in a minute.
Good morning. How you doing today?
Good morning. I thought I asked for. There's no cream in there.
You got cream
I'm kind of new at this. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Please.
all right.
Thank you. I see I did it all wrong.
You're all good. There you go.
Thank you.
Next time, get vanilla sweet cream cold brew.
Thank you. Vanilla sweet cream cold brew.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. My lesson.
Right.
And a straw, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You're wonderful.
All right.
Thank you.
So y'all, when they handed it to me, it didn't have any. It was just like cold coffee with no creamer in it. But he told me how to order it. A vanilla sweet cream cold brew. That's what I want. I have to remember that. I'm probably gonna go back and look at this video and be like, what he said? What he has said? And the way I go, y'all, or where we go, because y'all coming with me. Oh, that allergy medicine last night zonked me out. I was out after that. So after I pump my gas, y'all, I always use these on my hands. And I use this. And then I dry my hands off with a napkin. So I did clean my hands, y'all. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all a little something so I can get it out. Let me get over. Just a butter croissant. Nice and warm. And needless to say, it's a little chilly. It's sunny, but it's chilly out. It's not cold though today. 65. It's beautiful. So it changes by the day here, y'all. You literally never know what you're gonna get. Changes every single day. Let me taste this. Good. That'll work. All right, y'all, I'm on the highway now. I'm about to listen to me some music. We'll call y'all back. Hey, Rock Solid Gang. So, y'all, we made it back. Say hey, Kendall. I got Kendall, y'all. She home. We made it. Corey over there. We're about to eat a little something before I cook. I'm cooking late today, y'all. But anyway, I just came back to close out this vlog. Thank y'all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you stay. To my old Rock Solid Gang members, thank y'all for rocking with me. Y'all, everybody, don't forget to like this video. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.